Welcome back. This is Elsam. I make math make sense. So today we're going to be solving this problem on the board involving logarithms. So if you are excited to solve with me, let's go. So we're having this logarithm problem that has log to base 2 let's come from within. So we have log x to base 4 whose value is having log to base 3 and everything having log to base 2. So let's do it this way. Now, if you remembered, converting from logarithm to indices, if you have log, let's say a, b equal to m, this can be written as a equal to b raised to the power m. So the number of the log stays, the base comes to the other side and it's raising the number that is on the right hand side. So if you have this, then this goes. Now bearing this in mind, we can solve this starting from the outer log. So log to base 2 into everything we have here, which is log 3 into log 4, we have x equal to 0. So this as the number, just like a, will stay, which is log 3 into log 4x equal to, this 2 comes this way to raise 0. And any number raised to the power 0, law of indices gives us 1. So we have log to base 3 of log x base 4 equal to 1. So using the same logic we applied, we can do it here again. So 3 goes to the other side to raise 1 up. So log x base 4, that's the number of the log, will be equal to the base raised to power 1. Raised to power 1. So let's come up here. So this gives us log x base 4 equal to 3. Now it's simple and clear. We can do it one more time to find x. So the number of the log x now will be equal to 4 raised to power 3 and x equal to 64. So that's how we solve for x in a problem like this. I hope you enjoyed the solution. So subscribe to our channel for more interesting solutions to mathematical problems. Thank you.